Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Donc, aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les mots I, A, E. So, dear children, today we are going to learn the words starting with I to M. So, we have four words. So, I'm giving pronunciation and you can see there are some colors you can find and I will explain you for what it is placed here. So, the first word you are seeing starting with I is une image. Une image. Remember one thing, I in French we say E. Okay, so this is une image. Next, you can see in purple color I N, number 2, number 3, and 4. So all when any words start with I and in French language, it gives a sound. It gives a sound. Second word is une infirmière. Une infirmière, which means lady nurse. And you can count the sounds in this word also. A, fer, mi, er. So 4 sounds. If you are facing any problem, slow down your pace and count the sounds in the word. So 4 I have already told you. You can write in your French Chelsea. Number 3 is again starting with I and intelligent. In English, we say intelligent. In French, we say intelligent. Words ending with G-E-N-T gives Jean sound, not gent. Fine. Number 4, une institutrice. Une institutrice, which means female teacher. Like in your school, there are lots of teachers, female teachers like Kavita ma'am, Suchitra ma'am, and all. Fine. So, une image, une infirmière, intelligent, and une institutrice. You must know une we use for feminine. It's mean image, infirmière, institutrice is female, feminine here. And even it's biologically female. Fine. Next word, words starting with Z. In French, we say Z, like Z cinema, Z news. You have a channel, you can learn like this. The first word is à jouer. À jouer, it's giving a sound. Jouer means try. Next one is à joue. Juice, words ending with consonant, we don't pronounce often in French, mostly. À jean, jeans. Okay. Une jupe. Jupe means a skirt. Again, à jouer, à joue, à jean, une jupe. Fine. And a we use for masculine, une we use for feminine. In another word, you can say toy is a boy and jupe is a girl in French language. For example, I'm telling you. Words starting with ka, a kiwi, which means kiwi, a bird, national bird of New Zealand, a kangaroo, it's very easy, kangaroo. Next one is a kiosk, kiosk, we say kiosk, which means a small shop, booth. And the last one is a klaxon, a klaxon, klaxon is horn. Okay, what's starting with L? Lay, lay, milk. Yun, liun, liun means moon. A livre, a book. Lad, lad means ugly. So the problem is here, you will be thinking why there is no article. So lay, liun and livre, these are nouns and lad is adjective. That's why there is no article before lad. What's starting with M we have now? Okay. A mata, mata means morning. A mata. Okay. Une mère, mère means see. The third one is me conta. Me is prefix here. Me conta. Me conta means unhappy. If I will remove me from here, you will get a new word, which means conta, happy. Fine. So me conta, unhappy. And the last word is a medicine. A medicine, which means doctor. Now I'm showing you a PPT. There are images and you must find out what we pronounce this or that. Fine. So words starting with I to M, une image, une infirmière, intelligent, une institutrice. Now words starting with D, un jouet, un joue, un Jean, une jupe. Words starting with a kiwi, a kangaroo, a kiosk, a klaxon. Next, starting with L, a lait, a livre, une lune, and lab. Fine. And this one, a mata, morning, early morning. Next, une mère, me conta, and a médecin. Fine. So your lesson is finished right now. Please prepare very well, learn all the words, because in next class I am going to ask you to pronounce. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.